All right, so the headlight is in. I just basically put it where I just want to see everything. So we're gonna go in the car, see if we turn it on, and see if both headlights will turn on. So hope y'all could see both headlights. All right, so that one turned on. And this one turned on. They still look dull. So, see, this is on, and the other one over there is on. So they got a little brighter, I would say. What? Ain't nothing different. All right, I'm just checking, make sure everything works. Okay, so that, see, just to make sure, say that is flashing. Sure her four-way flashers are working. All right, cool. All right, well, so that's about it. The lights are working. And the parking lights are on. All right, cool. So that is everything that needs to get done. That is everything that needs to get done. Next thing what I need to do is going to remove the plastic off. Once I remove the plastic off, we just basically start putting everything back together. The bumper, I just gotta look at some stuff and make sure all that plastic piece is in. And then so we have less stuff to worry about when putting it on back. Yeah, the only thing is I got some extra screws because I realized this side didn't have some screws. So I got some extra screws. We gotta put one right here and should be two for the bracket and then the other one. So just remember that when you're taking the bracket off, before you even touch the headlight, you have one up here, one right here, one right here, and the other fourth one would be right here, and that's the bracket. So that's all you need. I think this one probably shifted due to if she hit something or what, but so with the time that we're working with, now it's what, 10:34, and we have 26 minutes and 45 seconds left. So 26 minutes, 45 seconds, or 30 something seconds. So we still could push through and put everything back together and see if that could complete the 2 hours of me working on this car. So all right, I'm gonna just stand here, grab some water real quick, and we just start pushing to do the rest of this stuff and get it out the way. So we have 25 minutes and 7 seconds left to get this done. So we're gonna push through and go. So let's go, let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna do it, work on this side, because I'm wondering if something is bent on this side. That is why they have a couple of the bolts. They didn't put back some of the bolts in. So we're gonna hop on this side. Since this side got damaged from the accident or anything. So we'll do that. All right, I just want to put that little piece on, because nothing rubs up to it or scratch it or anything. So I want to try to avoid that as much as possible. Plastic, so I'm not going to tighten it too hard. All right. All right, cool. All right, so this side is on. Headlights completely in. Wires in. All right, so that side we gotta remember, we gotta take it on the other side. We gotta take it back off because remember we didn't remove that little clip. So we have that to do right now. The clip, we need to remove this clip. Pull up, push up, and then all you gotta do, push up and pull down. Push up, pull down, so that is out. Push up, pull down. All right, we gotta take this back out. Found it. Woohoo! Alright, take this one out. Alright, so this is already on and I locked it in place. See, it's not going anywhere. So all I gotta do is push this up, clips in, then push this back here. Yep. So it's all the way in. Then we can start putting our headlights back inside. Yeah, I think maybe something probably had bent over on this side.